Hi guys! Today we got a new friend with us, which is called Captain Crunch, right?
Yeah, my name's Captain Crunch.
Yeah, we have a new friend called Captain Crunch. Well, today we're gonna do Truth or Dare. Truth or Dare. Yeah, we're gonna do Truth or Dare, right? Captain Crunch?
Yes!
Okay. It looks like it's you, Captain Crunch. Truth or Dare?
There! There! There!
Okay. Fly.
Wow! Wow! Cry.
Fly.
I'm flying!
Flying. Flying. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Captain Crunch. It's your turn.
Looks like it's you, bee. Go for there!
There.
Fly! All the way to the trampoline.
Okay. Maybe I could jump. I'm supposed to jump. Oh, I better fly, I guess. I guess I'll fly.
Yes, I make it.
Fly!
Yeah, I made it.
You can stay there. You're like, I want to stay here. Okay. Looks like it's my turn. Okay. Looks like it's your turtle. Truth or dare? Dare. Okay. You jump and then fall. Okay. Woo!
Yeah, was that it? Was that it?
Yes, that was it. Looks like it's your turn.
Truth or dare? Looks like it's you.
Looks like it's you, eh?
Truth or dare?
There, of course.
Jump all the way to the moon.
The moon is... Oh, where's the moon? Okay, I'll jump to the sun.
Yeah. Burn.
Woo! Where did I go? Try again!
Okay, I'll try.
I'll definitely try again. I'll definitely try again. Try again. Okay, I'll try again. Woo!
Huh?
Try again. Just like that. I made it to the trampoline. I made it to the sun this time. Great. Well, looks like it's your turn. Looks like it's you, There. Okay, I dare you. I dare you to jump all the way there. There. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Jump! Was that good? Yeah. Yeah, that was definitely good.
Captain Crunch, thank you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Goodbye.
Bye! Maybe that was a little too crazy. Yeah.